Step 1. Tools Introduction. First, select the tools like pencil, eraser, marker, and drawing paper. Tool selection is very important. Step 2. Basic outline. Start by drawing light, basic shapes. Outline should be very light and simple. Try not to press the pencil hard. Be gentle. Step 3. Shape and proportion. Refine the outline by correcting shapes and proportions. Must check size and subject alignment. Step 4. Adding details. Slowly add details like eyes, face, body parts, small lines and textures. Step 5. Shading basics. Use pencil pressure for realistic effect like light area, dark area, and medium tones. Step 6. Final touch and cleanup. Erase unnecessary lines. Darken final outlines. Add final highlights and contrast. Your drawing is ready. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.